Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, children, today we will start with the revision class of block 3. Okay? Adaptations in different plants. Yes? So, our first lesson is about
Aquatic plants.
aquatic plants. Now, if you know the answer, please raise your hand, and if I call your name, then you answer. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what do you mean by aquatic plants? Yes, Manaswini? No, I am not asking what are different types of aquatic plants. What do you mean by aquatic plants? Yes, Rayan? Water plants. Water plants are called as?
Aquatic plants.
Very good. Now, Manaswini? Okay. Now, Manaswini, you tell the different types of water plants.
Floating plants,
Floating plants.
submerged plants,
Huh?
submerged plants,
Submerged plants.
fixed plants.
Fixed plants. Clap for. Very good. Now, who will tell me about the floating plants? How are the roots? Yes, Vidiksha.
The roots are fixed in the soil.
For the floating plants, think and tell me. Yes, Rayan. Yes.
The roots will be floating in water.
The plants and the roots, all the parts of the plants are floating in the water. Vidiksha, listen to the question and then answer better. Please sit down, children, everyone. And what about submerged plants? Yes, Vidyumna.
Plants that completely underwater.
The plants which are completely under the water, they are called as submerged plants. Very good. Sit down. What about the fixed plants? Yes, Avantika.
It will fix in the soil.
The plants are fixed in the soil. What about the leaves and flowers?
They float on the water.
On the water or above the water?
Above the water.
Now tell me, how are the leaves of the submerged plants? Leaves of submerged plants. Yes, Priyansh. How are the leaves of the submerged plants? Hmm?
The leaves of submerged plants is seaweed.
Now I am not asking about example. I am talking about the shape of the submerged leaves.
The shape of the submerged leaves is triangle.
Oi, no. Sasi? Children, think and tell me. Yes, Samya?
Narrow and flexible.
Okay. Yes, Lakshmika?
One plant is watermelon.
Okay. Anybody else who want to tell about the leaves of the submerged plants? The girls use that to tie their ribbon like. They are like ribbon like. Think, children. Okay. So that is about our first lesson, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, where is the stomata in the fixed plants? Yes, Vikund.
Under the roots.
Generally, where the stomata will be? Yes, Vidyumna.
Ma'am, it will be above the leaf.
For the fixed plants or generally?
For the fixed plants.
What about generally? The land plants?
Ma'am, it will be under the leaf.
Oh, yes. So it will be generally under the leaves, but for the fixed plants, stomata is above the leaves. Very good. Now, can you anybody give examples for the for these plants, aquatic plants? Yes, Manaswini. For submerged plants or for fixed one or for floating, what are the examples?
For fixed plants,
Mhm.
water lily lotus. For fixed plants,
Yes, submerged plants,
water hydrilla.
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 Okay, for floating one,
Floating
Hmm.
water and
duckweed. Now this is about our first lesson. Okay. Now moving on to the second lesson, which is insectivorous plants. What is the other name for insectivorous plants? Devika. Wait. What is the other name for the insectivorous plants? Yes, Ganishka. That is an example, beta. What it is otherwise called as. Manaswini, you already got 2 chances. Who else? Ceci. Carnivorous plants. Very good. Why? From where these carnivorous or insectivorous plants get their nutrients? Yes, Vidiksha.
From the host plant.
From the host plant? Yes, Ceci.
And they get from the soil and insects.
From the soil. From the soil means what they will be performing. Which process that is called as? Photosynthesis and what is the other? What is the other way they get the nutrients? From insects. Very good. Now can you, please sit down. Can you tell me one example of carnivorous or insectivorous plants? No, I want Devika to answer this question. Devika, tell me one example of insectivorous plants which eat the insects, which digest the insects. Yes, Vikund. Picture plant. Very good. What happens in the picture plant? It has digestive juices. Very good. It has digestive juices. What happens? What happens? How it will trap the insect? Chaitanya? How it will trap the insects? Yes, Manaswini. Manasvi.
They will feel it.
When the insect sits on it, they'll feel it. Very good. After feeling, what happens?
They will.
After feeling it, what does a picture plant do to trap the insect?
They will eat it.
They'll eat it, correct. But what happens to the picture plant? What happens to the lid of the plant? It closes the lid so that it gets trapped inside the picture plant. Who will tell me about Venus trap plant? Venus try plant. Whoever is standing. Yes, we could.
Unless the plant is growing.
Hmm. Then what happens?
When insect will come.
Loudly you say?
Venus plant
Mhm.
will out.
Hmm.
When insect will come,
Hmm.
swelling,
Hmm.
he eat the insect.
Hmm. That's it? Who will tell me? Yes, Vidyumna.
And they go inside the Venus filter. The eggs will feel it and it will close.
And it will closes. What are these? These are the modified leaves or stem. What it is?
Modified leaves.
Modified leaves. Very good. Sit down. Clap for Vidyumna, everybody. Sit down. Sit down. Now this is about your second lesson. Now coming to your third lesson, which is parasitic plants. Sit properly. So from where this parasitic plants get the food from? Yes, Soumya.
Host plants.
From the host plants. How does the parasitic plants get the food from the host plant?
They will steal from other plants.
Okay. By which part of their plant? Think. Yes, Lakshmika.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
plants is water, ma'am.
Plants?
Plant is water.
How does a parasitic plant get the food from? Uh,
They steal acid.
they steal. How do they steal?
From roots.
From roots. Very good. From roots, how do they? So the roots of the parasitic plants,
They
how?
suck all the nutrients.
Nutrients. By how?
My legs are squeezed.
They penetrate into the roots of the host plant, then they'll get the nutrients. Please sit down. Clap for Avantika and Soumya. Okay, now coming to the MHP plants. How does the MHP plants will get their nutrients? Soumya, your chance finished. Yes, Priyansh.
Plants means like examples fluffy and
No, tell me, how does this MHP plant get the nutrients? How it get the nutrients from the host plant? Wait, children. Huh?
from the photosynthesis.
Think and tell me. MHP plants, how do they get the nutrients from the host plant? Yes, Manaswini Reddy.
From Venus.
Hmm?
From Venus.
No. Yes, Lakshmika.
Ma'am, water.
Next. Vidya Savantika. Yes, Rayan. Wait. Anishka. Yes, Vidiksha. That is about parasitic plants. We are talking about MHP plants. No, Samya. Yes, Ganishka. No. Manasvi. Priyansh, close the book. Devika. Chaitanya. Vikunt. Yes, Vidyamna.
And they get food from the host plant.
How?
They make a bridge to
Who?
the MHP plant.
MHP plant will taking the help of something else.
Indian one.
That is the example, beta. I'm talking about how does it get the food.
Fungus.
With the help of fungus, the fungus will be acting as a bridge between the MHP plant and the photosynthetic plant, that is the green plants. That's how the food will get, the nutrients will get for the MHP plants. Why do you think this parasitic or the MHP plants are getting the food from the other plants? Please sit down, everybody, think and tell me. Yes, Ceci.
They don't have chlorophyll.
Because they don't have chlorophyll, that's why they are getting the nutrients from the other plants. Okay, this is about the parasitic and the MHP plants. Now let's move on to the next lesson, which is about the roots, the types of modified roots. Okay, what are the two types of roots we have? Yes, Manaswini.
Taproots
Taproot and
taproots and
taproot and one more. So, no, Ceci. Yes, Soumya.
Taproot and fibrous roots.
Fibrous roots. Very good. Sit down. Now, sit down. Now, Avantika will tell me what are the roots called if they are storing the food.
They have modified clothes.
what the roots are called if that roots, the modified roots, are storing the food? Priyansh, what are the roots called if they are storing the food? Hmm?
Root noodles.
Food is stored in the roots. What are those roots called? Yes, Ganishka? Storage roots. Clap for Ganishka. Now tell me, sit down. What are the roots called if the roots are outside the soil or on the tree or the plant? Yes, banyan tree, correct. But what are the roots are called?
Climbing roots.
No. Think properly. Climbing roots, like the plant will be growing, climbing onto the support. What about the roots which are on the plant? Yes, Vidyamna.
Hanging roots.
Yes.
Prop roots.
Prop roots. Clap for Soumya. Now climbing roots, you tell me. What do you mean by climbing roots? Just now I told.
It will take support.
It will be climbing and taking the support to grow. Please sit down. Now tell me, what about the nitrogen fixing roots? How the roots will be for the nitrogen fixing roots? No, Soumya. Anybody else? Nitrogen fixing roots. Yes, Soumya. What they will do, the nitrogen fixing roots?
Have noodle like.
Nodules. Okay. What does it do?
It will help us get oxygen easily.
Oxygen or nitrogen?
Nitrogen.
So what does it do? These plants have nodules, and these plants will be converting the atmospheric nitrogen into useful nitrogen, which is very, very important to us. Okay, so children, prepare well, beta. Whatever I told you, you have to read and come, then only you will remember. So next class we will meet with the next block, children. Thank you.